our wedding and our flight actually. So we are running for our last errands. A lot of things to do and to manage. There is a gloomy weather in Dubai, as you can see, but there is still sun because my eyes is closing. I already went to salon. I woke up very early. I really want to sleep. I almost fell asleep in the salon. Yeah, I spent a little bit more than expected, like 3 hours. For the ladies, there is always so much stuff to take care of, unfortunately, and it's not fair. For which we need to spend a lot of time. Yeah, now I'm planning to go back home and to pack. I still want to record another video for you, and I just want to cook and relax, eat something, because I'm just running a lot in the past 3 days. Yeah, and I just want to take you out and around, but it's kind of very loud outside, so couldn't show you much for the moment, but let's see what's gonna happen further.
I'm currently in my apartment basically, and I'm packing right now. And I just want to actually show you guys like what I'm gonna be packing, because I got quite a few items from certain stores, online stores as well. I will not be showing you something that I'll wear tomorrow, for the wedding, so to say. But yeah, I do feel actually pretty nervous. I mean, more excited, but at the same time a bit nervous, because it's like, it's pretty gonna be pretty interesting time and exciting time as well. Yeah, so let me show you guys what I got for myself. Yeah. Okay. So basically, let's start off with the shoes. Right, so I just got some sneakers with. I got my brown shoes and some blue shoes, something smart casual, because of course we're going to be having some dinner dates as well. So that is where my suit is. Okay, just got my t-shirt there, one of my favorites. And then I have like 4 shirts. So basically this one is like everyday use. They're all basically everyday use. This is more of a golfer, yeah, which I got at a very good place. This is more like a floral shirt, as you can see. I mean, you cannot go to an island without a floral looking shirt. I actually like the design on there. It's pretty good. And this is more like a plain shirt, but it's more gravitating towards like a beach style, yeah. And also what I got myself was a nice little, like, basically chino shorts, yeah, with a long grey top trouser. So because I plan on wearing it like for dinner, yeah. And then I brought my white jeans along, and this is like a shorts, 3/4 or jean shorts that I got at Bershka, one of my favorite spots to buy my items. And then some t-shirts to wear for every day. Yeah, so that is what I'm going with. Yeah, and besides that, I have all the packing to do, which is gathering all the like the paperwork and so on. Like, I cannot, yeah, I found it. So in this little envelope is all the COVID test results and kind of thing, all our travel documents, and yeah, that is basically all of that. And then I still have my course that I'm busy packing. I got some like scuba gear. Yeah, I bought some flippers, and you can see like through the packet over there, it's the goggles and the mouthpiece. So yeah, it's time to pack.
And what's happening by my side is that I came home, I recorded another video, honeymoon haul, what I'm taking with me actually in my honeymoon. Then Darren came, he brought some food, we had some food, we did not record anything because we just so in rush and we have so many things to do. We had a little small rest time together, and then he left to pack, and I'm finishing up packing. I still need to take shower, I want to eat, like I feel like I have a lot of needs right now. I need to go sleep because I need to wake up at 6:30. It's very early. Yeah, so let me show you what I have packed so far. Yeah, so for me, so there is my dress, my hat, This is our recording stuff. Actually, here's my shoe, and I put there some perishables. So this is a thing which can get broken, some jewelries and cosmetics. Yeah, I actually thought of not taking a big luggage, and because we're going like for 5 nights, 6 days, and it's like I think I'm taking a lot of things with me, but it's actually almost get full. I am still yet to put all my toiletries and rest of my cup because I need to go to shower. Yeah, and you can see it's full here. It's not insta-washing luggage because I just throw what I see on top. Well, first it was going nicely, but then I'm like, and I need to put this, and I need to put that. Yeah, and stuff. Yeah, but I took several things because I'm scared that then I'm gonna be, oh man, I forgot this, or I don't know what to wear with this, but I want to wear. Yeah, but I took only 3 couple of shoes, slippers, no, 4 slippers, sandals, and other slippers, and the heel shoe for the evening. And as well, I prepared my outfit for tomorrow, so I know what I'm gonna wear, mask, and I already packed my bag. I didn't know which one to take. I decided to take this one, small cute one, yellow one, so I will not forget it somewhere. Yeah, it's very important, and it seems, oh yeah, I need to take shower as soon as possible because it's already too late. As you can see, it's fully dark outside. And if you wanna see what I'm taking with me, tic-tac, because my ears gets locked every time and it's helping me. Sanitizer mini one because you cannot bring big one. I'm taking these headphones, another one on charge. I'm also gonna take them with wallet, tablets, sunglasses, passport. These are our rings actually gonna travel with me. This is a pillow and this is a microphone in case if we're gonna record some content in airport to have a clear sound. Yeah, that is it.
Let's see how it will go. I mean, like I said, I'm pretty excited and pretty nervous at the same time, but I cannot explain. It's like, yeah, it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be very good. But yeah, flight is tomorrow morning at about 10 a.m., 9:55 to be exact. But of course, you know how flights are, and check-in process. And yeah, myself and Galina will be meeting up around 7 a.m. and we'll take a metro straight to the yeah, airport, and that would be it. So stay tuned to see what's next.